You may have heard the term going short or shorting a trade. The concept is the opposite of your common buy low, sell high strategy. Usually, you'd buy a stock or asset as you believe the price is going to move higher. However, with shorting, you'll be selling the asset and then buying it back later for an even lower price if you believe the price is falling. So let's break this down. In investing, you make money from the difference between the buy and sell price. So effectively, you need the value of the asset to move higher to both cover your trading costs and see a profit. But if the price of an asset is falling, with investing, you're effectively borrowing that asset from person A to sell to person B. Then once the price drops, as you suspect it will, you'll buy it back at a lower price and then return the asset to person A, the one you borrowed from. Your profit comes from the difference between your sell price and your buy price. In CFD trading, you can short stocks and other assets in the same way by opening a sell order, then once the price drops, close the trade by placing a buy order. In this case, you're not borrowing the asset as you're dealing directly with your broker. When shorting goes wrong, a person who shorts is effectively betting against a company or asset with the belief that they will fail. So if we look at the GameStop phenomena, many hedge funds had bet against this company, calling it the next blockbuster video. And just like the video shop that couldn't adjust to the changing times, this downward selling pressure of shorting kept the stock price of GameStop low. A group of retail and mostly newbie investors got together on a forum and decided that with their combined power, they could buy the stock. This upward buying pressure moved the stock higher, thus causing damage to the hedge funds and even wiping some out. This effect was called a short squeeze, squeezing all the shorters, those who had shorted the stock. For you, the trader, shorting can be a powerful strategy in times of uncertainty when assets are continually losing value, and it's a strategy that should not be overlooked. Remember, you can short assets like crypto, currencies, stocks and commodities with CFD trading here at AvaTrade, one of the most highly regulated brokers in the world. Happy trading!